First off, I want to say my name is Mercedes Iman Starr, and I'd like to say congratulations to Archie Bonet of Atlanta, Georgia. He's your newly crowned Mr. NBA Atlanta. Okay, congratulations. I wish you the best of luck in everything you do, and I hope you succeed in everything you do. And you're a good role model because you the main person that tell me not to read these people for fear and tell me to be nice to everybody. So that's why I haven't been really reading people that bad and telling everybody got their business because of you, Archie. So y'all need to thank Archie for saving y'all asses because I could have slayed all y'all motherfuckers out there. Okay? But congratulations again. And to the contestants, y'all didn't see Archie Bonet registration? What were y'all thinking? Was y'all high? Do y'all think y'all gonna go and just beat Archie Bonet? Y'all could have given me that entry fee money. I could have paid my drug man so my drug man got off my ass, okay? And now when I go to the store, I gotta watch my bets because I'm gonna get my ass killed or my ass whooped because I owe my drug man some money because y'all wanted to go and give me y'all money up at NBA. Y'all could have given me that coin. Damn. Y'all knew better than that. Was y'all high? I guess y'all wanted something to do. But y'all should have known better. Archie Bonet gave y'all the goddamn train and tell y'all to chew y'all ass all the way back home and smoke. Okay. To my shout outs. I want to give a shout out to Sebastian Alexander. I want to give a shout out to Akiria Chanel Davenport. I talked to Akiria Chanel Davenport earlier tonight, and she said that she was out for to go to a house party and she was drunk, and she said that she was riding on her car. Her friend called. There was about 2 donuts on the car. The car had 2 flat tires, and I got 2 spare tires in the car. I guess if you really want to go to that party on 2 spare tires, 2 donuts at that. But she said that she sold her food stamps to buy the alcohol. So Miss Stein, I don't know what you're gonna do for Thanksgiving because you can't eat at my house. At my house, man, like feet and ketchup. Oh yeah. I want to give a shout out to, make sure y'all go and support the Mr. and Mrs. Diamond of the South pageant, okay? That's the Mr. and Mrs. Diamond of the South pageant. They will be honoring, Mr. Valentino Lloyd Alexander and Mrs. Diamond France. Don't forget, it is Mr. and Mrs. Diamond of the South pageant, and they will be honoring Mr. Valentino Lloyd Alexander and Miss Diamond France. Okay, make sure y'all show some love to them. The pageant is on December 13th, 2013, at the Sheraton Galleria. Oh Lord, that's hot. Y'all got a little change. Okay, the street address is 4 Galleria Boulevard, Matari, LA. The zip code is 7001. Okay. Once again, it's the Mr. and Mrs. Diamond of the South pageant. They will be honoring Mr. Valentino Lloyd Alexander and Mrs. Diamond France. The pageant is on December the 13th, 2013, at the Sheraton Galleria. It's at 4 Galleria Boulevard, Monterey. Just have your ass there, okay? I'll spell it for you. METARIELA. Zip code 7001. Okay? Go show some love to them, okay? I guess that's it for everybody, okay? Make sure y'all show some love to Archie Bonet now. Hit him up and stuff and wish him congratulations and stuff. Alright? Oh yeah. Where's my shit at? I'm gonna show y'all. Bitch, I'm telling y'all, bitch. Get y'all some Ajax now, bitch. Y'all see my skin? It's called Ajax. Okay? Clear skin equals Ajax. You see? I'm telling y'all, bitch. Y'all get y'all 6 out. It's about gone. This man is some good shit. Look how much I use. Bitch, don't check ticket. Smooth skin. I was trying to tell y'all. They go get some of this clear bust off y'all face. Zaria Bonet Valentino. Nina Benita Brown. Go get y'all some Ajax clear the bumps up. Now, Kimberly Black Star, you better go get you some. And put some of this on your nuts. And put some of this on your face, okay? Clear the bumps up. I'm trying to tell you now. But make sure y'all show some love to Mr. and Mrs. Diamond of the South pageant. That's Mr. and Mrs. Diamond of the South pageant. They will be honoring Mr. Valentino Lloyd Alexander and Mrs. Diamond France, okay? I guess that's all. And Trinity Bonet. Damn, can I get some out your closet, Miss Thing? Shit, you gotta make this shit. I ain't got no money. You take food stamps.